Welcome to Lingala Institute. This Lingala lesson is about a situation where you are getting somebody interested into a video that you are watching. Action. Mama na bana, Yaka Otala. My wife, come take a look. Nini, yango lisusu. She replies, what is the matter? Yaka Otala, Fally asali video ya sika. Come take a look. Fally released a new video. Ebongo yo tata mobimba bozo beta masolo ya video on dirait eko change vie na yo. A grown-up person like you is talking about videos as if it will change your life. Yaka nano eza nango video te eza ba dance moko eza na kati ya likambo. Come, it's not about the video. They have included some crazy dance. Tika ngana silisa nanga lamba. Let me finish cooking. Thank you so much. I will finish this lesson with these 5 vocabularies. Molili Darkness, dark. Ndakisa Example. Elaka Prophesy. Eyano Answer or reply. Motuna Question.